coming to you today from Brussels. It's the Global Seafood Expo. It's that time of year again. We always come over to Brussels with the Seafish stand, which you can see behind me. We use the stand as a meeting point for UK stakeholders. They can meet their customers and suppliers in one of our meeting rooms here. We also bring some of the material that we've been producing, some of our market insight reports. We host workshops here looking at those market insight reports, showcasing the new tools, our new trade and tariff tool, for example. So it's a good opportunity for Seafish to put out its information and to engage with stakeholders from the UK, but also from further afield. My initial impression this year at the show, it seems to be buzzing as always. A lot of optimism in the aisles of the Seafood Expo here, and it, I think, reflects a general feeling of well-being within the industry. There's lots of good news stories flowing around. We're part of some of that. I'm going to take a look around the show right now. Here on the stand of Rooney Fish and Mill Bay Oysters with Patrick Higgins, the General Manager, and we're looking at some of the shellfish that's coming out of Northern Ireland. A lot of this, of course, is going to be destined for export around the world. We've got the crab claws going off to France. We've got crab going off to China, whelk to Korea, langoustines, France and Spain, velvet crab, brown crab, the scallops. Some fantastic looking products from Northern Ireland. It's great to see here at the show in Brussels. So without doubt, one of the most impressive stands here at Brussels is the Seafood from Scotland stand. It's a really large stand. It encompasses a demonstration chef area and also a series of Scottish seafood businesses are here showcasing what they have to offer. I've just been talking to the Peterhead Port Authority people. They've just successfully applied for our brand new Responsible Fishing Scheme port. It means that they are operating to the highest standards which you would expect from a port of the quality and scale that we have at Peterhead. Also in Scotland, we've of course have just done our Seafood Summit. My thanks to Fergus Ewing for addressing the conference with his keynote speech. And we've had some fantastic feedback from all the delegates that were there. A really good session looking at all the different aspects of Brexit, what it could mean for Scottish industry and how best to respond. So our work in Scotland goes from strength to strength. We're looking forward to working with many of the people behind me on the stand, and we'll be doing that over the next few months. So here we are in front of the Seafood from Wales stand. It's particularly useful to come here at this time because the Seafish Board is visiting Milford Haven in a couple of weeks' time. The Seafish Board likes to go and visit different parts of the United Kingdom. We've been in Oban previously, the Shetlands, Whitby and Peterhead, and this year they've chosen Milford Haven in southwest Wales. So it's really interesting to come along to the stand here to see in particular the shellfish obviously that are on offer from Wales, and there's a number of companies who are exhibiting here on the stand. They're cooking some of the shellfish for exhibitors and delegates to the expo. So I'm going to go and try some, see how it is, and I'm looking forward to my visit to Wales in a couple of weeks' time.